Japan Airlines Flight 516 was a short-hop domestic flight that ended in a dramatic rescue and the unfortunate death of 5 people who were on a mission to deliver aid after the horrific earthquake in Japan on New Year's Day 2024. This is an evolving story and the details will change as we know more. The Japan Airlines flight was an Airbus A350, a wide-bodied twin-engine airplane. The plane was a regularly scheduled flight from Sapporo's new Chitose Airport to Tokyo's Haneda Airport. It departed Sapporo Airport at 4:27 p.m. local time. The flight between the two cities is 1 hour 25 minutes long. The reported weather at Tokyo was unremarkable at the time of the accident, with over 10 kilometers of visibility reported and with a cloud ceiling of 9,000 feet. At Haneda Airport, a Japan Coast Guard's Bombardier Dash 8 was preparing to take off for Niigata to assist with the ongoing rescue efforts after the Japanese earthquake a day earlier. The Bombardier had a crew of 6 on board. Unfortunately, only the pilot will survive. Back to the Japan Airlines flight. At 5:43 p.m. local time, the plane turned right and lined up with runway 34 right, ready for the final approach. It was clear to land at 5:44 p.m. local time. Initial reports indicate that the Coast Guard's Dash 8 was asked to taxi and hold behind the runway line for runway 34 right. The plane was reportedly not equipped with an ADS-B transponder, which helps other planes know its position. The Bombardier reportedly entered the active runway. Due to it being at night, it is also likely that the controller did not spot the mistake. The Airbus A350 is a physically much larger plane compared to the Dash 8, and it is unlikely that the crew even spotted the small plane. Given it was the night, they would have just been seeing lights everywhere, and the Dash 8 itself would have just been a couple more lights on the runway. At 5:47 p.m. local time, Japan Airlines Flight 516 crossed the runway threshold and landed. When the A350 landed, it collided with the Dash 8, erupting into a fireball. Initial reports indicate that 5 of the 6 crew members of the Japan Coast Guard aircraft had died, and 1 was seriously injured. Videos on X showed 3 emergency exits being deployed on the Airbus A350, 2 at the front and 1 at the back, and passengers evacuating via them. This image of the passengers running to safety was posted just 45 minutes after the plane touched down. All 379 passengers and crew made it out alive. This accident marks the first hull loss of an Airbus A350 after it made its maiden flight in 2015. This is an ongoing incident, and the details will change as we learn more.